Cinnamon tea is a warm, comforting tea that isn't just a flavorful brew. It's a powerhouse of goodness waiting to elevate your well-being. The distinct aroma and rich flavor of cinnamon, combined with the soothing nature of tea, create a delightful beverage you can easily add to your daily routine. Brewing and sipping this aromatic tea can be a grounding and meditative experience. Today, we will reveal 10 excellent reasons why sipping cinnamon tea might be the game changer you've been searching for. From supporting weight management to its incredible impact on heart health, cinnamon tea can supercharge your health and overall wellness. We will also share lesser-known perks that make cinnamon tea a true elixir for your mind and body. So settle in and let's uncover the top 10 excellent reasons why making cinnamon tea a part of your daily routine is a choice your body will thank you for. If you're ready to sip your way to a healthier, happier you, let's jump right in. 1. Improves heart health. Cinnamon tea does more than tantalize your taste buds, it's also a heart-healthy elixir. It can lower heart disease risk and boost cardiovascular wellness. How, you ask? Cinnamon has powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, crucial factors in maintaining a healthy heart. Plus, studies suggest that the compounds in cinnamon lower harmful cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, keeping your ticker in tip-top shape. This tea can regulate blood sugar, a crucial step for maintaining a healthy heart. Thanks to its ability to keep glucose levels in check, cinnamon tea prevents the spikes and crashes that can lead to diabetes and its associated cardiovascular risks. So, pour yourself another cup of cinnamon tea and let this spicy elixir work its magic on your precious pumper. 2. Promotes weight loss. So, how can cinnamon tea help you shed those extra pounds? With its natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels and increase metabolism, a daily cup of cinnamon tea can be a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. The spice also has thermogenic properties, which implies it helps burn more calories even at rest. Besides, cinnamon can curb cravings and keep hunger pangs in check. Its sweet and spicy flavor satisfies the taste buds while stabilizing blood sugar, preventing those dreaded energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. So why not swap out that sugary morning latte for a soothing mug of cinnamon tea? It will give your body a nudge towards shedding those unwanted pounds while savoring a delightful and aromatic brew. You'll also feel full for long periods, making weight loss feel less like a struggle and more like a tasty adventure. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. We all know that roller coaster of highs and lows that leaves us feeling hungry and moody. Well, picture cinnamon as the superhero with the cape swooping in to save the day. This superstar spice contains compounds that help regulate insulin sensitivity, which means no more wild swings in blood sugar levels. Cinnamon doesn't just stop at balancing your blood sugar, it also slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive system. That means you won't experience that dreaded post-meal crash, leaving you ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Imagine feeling satisfied and focused after a meal instead of reaching for an emergency snack. Just think of cinnamon tea as your secret weapon against the sneaky spikes and crashes of blood sugar levels. So say goodbye to those mid-afternoon cravings and hello to steady energy all day long. 4. Fights off bacteria and fungi. The natural components in cinnamon are like a fortress, keeping harmful microorganisms at bay. It has potent compounds like cinnamonaldehyde and eugenol exhibiting strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. These compounds inhibit the growth of harmful organisms in the body, making cinnamon tea a natural remedy for warding off infections. Studies find that cinnamon can disrupt the formation of biofilms, communities of bacteria or fungi encased in a protective slime, making them more susceptible to antibiotics and other treatments. But here's the kicker. Not only does cinnamon tea fight off these unwanted guests, but it also does so without harming the beneficial organisms. This selective approach sets cinnamon apart from many other antibacterial agents, making it a safe choice for maintaining your body's delicate balance. So, next time you feel a tickle in your throat or notice some unwelcome skin blemishes, drink a warm cup of cinnamon tea and let it battle those intruders with its antibacterial and antifungal powers. 5. Kills cancerous cells. Now, let's talk about something fascinating, as if the deliciousness of cinnamon tea wasn't enough already. Cinnamon has cinnamaldehyde and eugenol, compounds that kill cancerous cells. Researchers discovered that these components have robust anti-cancer properties, fighting against the development and spread of cancer cells in the body. They inhibit the growth of cancerous cells and induce their death through apoptosis. Cinnamon's ability to reduce inflammation in the body may also contribute to its anti-cancer effects. Chronic inflammation supports the development and progression of cancer. Who knew a humble spice like cinnamon could pack such a punch? So go ahead and brew yourself a cup of cinnamon tea. You might be keeping those pesky cancerous cells at bay with each sip. 6. nourishes the hair and skin, and reduces acne. Aha! The scent of cinnamon tea brewing in the kitchen. Is there anything more comforting? Besides warming your soul, cinnamon tea can work wonders for your hair and skin. That's right, this delicious beverage is like a secret beauty elixir hiding in your pantry. Let's start with the hair, shall we? The antioxidants in cinnamon tea promote blood circulation in the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and encouraging healthy growth. Plus, it adds a shining allure to your locks. Not only that, but it also nourishes the scalp and helps combat dandruff thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation. Now, moving on to its benefits for the skin. Cinnamon tea contains compounds that boost collagen production, reducing lines and wrinkles to keep your skin youthful and glowing. It also combats fungi and bacteria that can lead to acne breakouts and blemishes. Its anti-inflammatory nature can soothe irritated skin, leaving a radiant complexion free from redness and inflammation. Next time you sip a cup of cinnamon tea, watch out for all the goodness it has for your locks and skin complexion. 7. Soothes cold symptoms. In the dreaded cold season, sniffles and coughs become as common as falling leaves. But fear not. Mother Nature provides a warm, comforting elixir to soothe and heal those pesky symptoms: cinnamon tea. This aromatic beverage isn't just for cozying up on a chilly evening, it's packed with powerful antioxidants that work wonders on cold symptoms. Besides, it reduces inflammation that may result from cold and flu. When you feel stuffed up and congested, a steaming cup of cinnamon tea can relieve you by clearing your sinuses and soothing your throat. Plus, its antimicrobial properties help combat the nasty germs causing all the trouble in the first place. Not to mention its natural sweetness that can suppress coughing fits while providing a comforting dose of warmth. Next time you feel a cold coming on, ditch the over-the-counter meds and drink a mug of cinnamon tea instead. Your body will thank you for it. 8. Preserves brain function. The secret behind cinnamon's ability to maintain brain health lies in its powerful antioxidants, which protect the brain against oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. It can improve cognitive function, boost memory retention, and enhance overall brain health. Research suggests these compounds have neuroprotective properties, which could help preserve brain function as you age. Moreover, cinnamon contains compounds that can inhibit the buildup of harmful proteins in the brain associated with neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. You can give your brain an extra defense against age-related cognitive decline by sipping delicious cinnamon tea daily. 9. Soothes stomachache and discomfort. Many people cherish cinnamon for its medicinal properties, and it has been so for centuries. One of those benefits is its ability to calm tummy troubles. The natural compounds in cinnamon prevent inflammation and microbial activities, easing digestive distress and reducing bloating. It also aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which can help alleviate indigestion and soothe an upset stomach. Its gentle warmth can provide relief from cramps and nausea as well. Plus, sipping on a cup of cinnamon tea can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting better digestion and reducing discomfort. So, whether you overindulge yourself at dinner or need relief from a pesky stomachache, turn to cinnamon tea as your deliciously effective remedy. 10. Improves period and PMS premenstrual syndrome symptoms. Cinnamon is a superhero when it comes to fighting inflammation, and during periods, the female body can feel like a war zone of cramps and discomfort. Cinnamon swoops in and helps soothe those achy muscles and bloating woes with its inflammation-reducing powers. Plus, it's like a natural mood booster, so when you ride an emotional roller coaster during PMS, a cup of cinnamon tea might be your ticket to sanity. It's like sipping on liquid zen that takes the edge off those mood swings and irritability. Trust us, once you incorporate cinnamon tea into your daily routine, your monthly flow won't seem as intimidating anymore. So, how do you make cinnamon tea? Start by boiling a cup of water and adding a cinnamon stick or half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse fully. Then, strain the liquid into your favorite mug and enjoy the warm aromatic experience. One interesting twist on this classic recipe is to add some honey or a splash of almond milk for added sweetness and creaminess. Not only does it enhance the flavor profile, but it also provides extra nutritional value. The next time you crave something cozy and satisfying, consider brewing yourself a comforting cup of homemade cinnamon tea. Your body will thank you for it. Cinnamon tea's delicious flavor and comforting aroma make it an enjoyable addition to any routine. So why not swap out your usual coffee or black tea for a steaming mug of cinnamon-infused goodness? Your body will thank you, and you might discover a new favorite drink in the process.